getting a no heat call on circuit 2 because of them 4 blinks coming off the ignition module. Voltage to the rollout switch. Maybe you guys can hear me now. We're getting 4 blinks coming off this thing right here. And the reason we're getting 4 blinks is because there is no voltage coming through this rollout. But if you check voltage here to ground, you'll see no voltage here, no voltage. When you put it up to here, there's voltage. This ignition module right here is bad. The problem is these 2 plugs right here, it's got a bad connection on the board right there, causing it to lock out. So we're going to change this board. Alright everybody, got all 3 of these ignition modules replaced. I got all the wiring correct, plugged back in. Let's fire this thing up. Got all stages up and running. Everything's looking good. Get out of here. Now you can see on this ignition module, it'll focus. Right there you can see the crack.